Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a long-term review of my rechargeable fans. In this video I will be talking about this particular product called Dlight solar fan. I have purchased it some 7 to 8 months back and I've been using it. I actually purchased two of these products. One I have left it at my hometown with my parents. One I'm being using here, and I thought I will make a quick update video so that you will understand how it is being useful in the long run. So without wasting time, let me get directly into the details. So this one I have purchased through Flipkart, and it costed me around 2,800 rupees, which included the fan as well as the solar panel. And the solar panel was around 5 volt or 6 volt, and it directly connects to this pin. It's a DC 12 volt pin. And also one thing what you should keep in mind is that this can be also run with a 12 volt DC adapter, the same adapter that you have for your Wi-Fi router. Okay, so you can charge it with that and you can use. And they have given two modes. The fan can be on high mode, and you can keep it in the low mode. Also you have the light switch. If you turn it on, you can get the light. So let me turn it on in the low and show you how the wind blows. This is the slow mode. Let me quickly grab one paper so that I can show the kind of wind that's been coming. Hope you can see how the wind blows, sir. And now let me switch it to high mode. Okay, now let me come to the uh, two modes of this fan. So in the low, you get a very good flow of air, and first thing you should notice that it's noiseless. The blade runs without any noise, so you will be not be disturbed with any huge noise from the fan or anything. It's very quiet, and you can use it for kids also. It will not disturb the kids. And also in high mode you get a really good flow of air coming. And please remember that if you directly plug it to solar or to a charger, you switch either to high mode or low mode, it runs faster than what it runs without anything connected to its plug. So, and also the charging, uh, the high mode, it might come on realistic basis approximately 2 hours or less, but for low mode it will come around some 3 hours or something like that. And it takes a full day sun to charge it completely, and you can use it while it's getting charged. In that way, if you are using it in daytime, uh, please make sure that you have at least 20% charge in the fan. Then you can use it. If it is below that, there is a chance that the fan will keep stopping and rotating. So to avoid that, make sure that you have little charge in it left so that you can plug and you can use. So this is compared to a D-Homes fan that I have bought through the offline store. So I've been using it from many years. This is also same kind of fan, and it's a very small fan. It's very personal fan. It's not even table fan. So even this comes with LED, and you can change the mode of LED. Also the fan comes in low, medium, and high. This is also something you can consider if your budget is below 1000 like that. I've purchased it below 1000, somewhere around 900 rupees in Dmart, and this has also been helpful in terms to use when it's really hot and it's a sunny day. I've been using it. Also you can charge it with solar or with a 12 volt adapter. Also you have a USB out, which might help you in terms of charging your mobile phone or your smart gadgets when you really don't have power. Or you can even use an AC in for charging this. Preferably they give you the AC in to charge this fan. And if you're looking to buy for camping or something, I would say this is the best because it occupies more space, and also this one charge is better than the Dlight one. um, I should appreciate the design and the quality of this product. While it serves a purpose in remote areas where you have frequent electricity down, and also you think that you need a personal fan without using your electricity, then even within city you can use it. I'm doing the same. I use it whenever, like, I sit in a different place where I don't get direct from my ceiling fan, so I use it during that time, or if any guest. So if I'm accommodating more people in a room, so that's when I use it as well. And it keeps charging every day. I have placed it in a place where you don't receive much sun, since I'm not using it recently in the last couple of months. So it's been sitting there and it's getting recharged. But the one at my home, back in my hometown, they use it every day. They both do solar charging as well as the AC to DC outlet adapter charging. So it is running well for them, and it is very easy to disassemble and assemble the product. So the blade is also of good quality. It doesn't seem like it will go off. The motor also seems to be a very good DC motor. It's a brushless motor, so you can expect a good life from this. I don't believe it's a copper motor for sure. It might be definitely not copper, because for this price I don't think that they will be giving a copper motor. But still, like, you can use it in terms of usage. If you use it daily, it might last you up to 2 years or 3 years until the battery dies out. Then you can find alternative to that battery. You can replace that, and you can, like, start using the fan. So the body will build quality is really good. The plastic is good. And if you're only using in home, then probably this. If you're using for camping, you can choose this size. Both serves the same purpose. You can charge it with the same port. Hope this video has been really helpful for you if you are looking for any fan that runs without electricity, and you can choose it, your option. I also have another DC fan, but these two are fans with battery, so that's the reason I'm comparing only these two. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.